What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to it. What's up, family? So for this salmon casserole recipe, you're going to need 2 cans of salmon, 2 cans of sweet peas, egg noodles, 2 onions, 2 garlic cloves, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and you want to season at the taste. You're going to need butter, 2 cups of milk, 2.5 cups of chicken stock. This is another comfort classic. I love salmon, so that's why I'm using salmon, but you can use any type of fish that you like. Without further ado, let's get to creating, family. Alright, we're going to start off by cooking our egg noodles. Egg noodles only take about 7 to 8 minutes, but please follow the directions that they come with. Alright, we're going to put this to the side and let those boil down. We're going to take 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to melt this down. And we're going to saute our onion and our garlic. Like so, until they look like this. Yes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is our combining agent. Let's go ahead and give this a nice mix. Okay, we're going to add 2 cups of our milk and 2.5 cups of our chicken stock. We're going to give this a nice mix. This is going to be nice and creamy. Okay, we're going to use our seasoning now. We're going to use our onion powder, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and last but not least, our Himalayan pink. You can use whatever salt you like. Alright, we're going to give this a nice mix. Yes. And we're going to go ahead and let this cook until we get this. Okay, now we're going to add in our salmon. Again, you can use whatever fish you like. I just love to use salmon. Alright. I know my cup is broke. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our peas. A little bit more peas. Alright. And let's mix this up nice. Alright. Now we're going to just let this cook down. Beautiful. That's going to be nice. Okay, quick facts. Where was tuna casserole invented? The United States. Who invented tuna casserole? According to American food writer Heather Anderson, the first recipe for tuna casserole appeared in Sunset magazine in 1930. It was called noodles and tuna fish in casserole and included mushrooms and cheese topping. Pretty cool. Alright, we're going to take our baking dish. I like to coat my baking dish with butter. That's optional for you if you want. Add in our strained noodles. Look at that steam. Alright, and we're going to add in our mix. And just do it a little at a time. And mix this in. And we're going to be careful because this is hot. like to work my way out inward. I'm gonna add some cheese, about a cup to 2 cups of cheese, shredded cheese. And we're gonna go ahead and give this a nice mix. Okay. Yes. All right, let's add the rest of our mixing. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's mix this in nice. Again, be careful, it is hot. All right, we're gonna add the rest of our cheese in. This is gonna be our topping now. And we're gonna go ahead and add in our bread topping. This is optional. All you're gonna need, if you want a bread topping, just take a cup of panko and a half teaspoon or teaspoon of any oil that you would like. I like grapeseed oil. Mix that up and we can spread it over your casserole. Give it a nice flavor and a little bit of a crunch. Like I said, is optional. We're gonna put our oven to 350 degrees and we're gonna cook this for 25 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven. And this is what we have. Look at that. Take a look at your work. Beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up, you guys. Nice and hot. Quick tip, if you like it creamier, you can always add more milk, or you can use evaporated milk as well. I like to use evaporated milk once in a while myself. All right, let's dig in. Yes. Let's eat. That was beautiful. Give me a like. Thank you again, you guys, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to bottom right and hit all. People, we made it to 100. Let's make our way to our next 500 Ddins, you guys, and to our next food adventure. Peace.